Yeah, it's the call to prayer. What do you think?
That's it for the light.
That shows.
Come on, sugar. You want to go upstairs and clear it? You want to get some food first? Come on, Scarlett.
Let's go.
That's it for the light.
Like Lion King. Yeah.
That's it for the bee.
That's the calling, so everyone will go to prayer.
Pale. Say pale.
Prayer.
Say pale.
Prayer.
What's that for the pale?
Yeah, we're going to go get some food.
We're gonna get some food. So, Mom.
Well,
Hey,
first we
Mom.
gotta go pray, okay?
You like that?
That was really intense. That was our first experience. We just walked into the mall, and I don't know, maybe it's fate. Just kidding, Mom. That was the first time we got to hear the call of prayer, and it was at the mall. How funny is that? All right.
Yeah, look at that.
Whoa,
It's
it is
a leopard.
It's a leopard. You say bye-bye, I love you.
I love you.
Bye. She's like, no, don't